Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor Magic 5 Lite 5G device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this smartphone. So to do it, you just need to open the gallery application. And here, as you can see, for example, I have this today's screenshot, okay? So now, when I will remove it, so you need to remember, after removing photo or video, these memories will be stored on your device during 30 days after the deleting moment. So you have 30 days to recover it. So open albums, scroll down, find here recently deleted, and here as you can see I have this photo and I have 30 days to show you 29 days to recover it. So if you want to recover it, you need to just open this photo and click restore. Go back to the normal gallery, and as you can see this photo was successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.